students, so I am here again with a new chapter, Good Food Habit from your EVS. So here we will learn about the good food habits and some healthy habits also. So what is we call that food habits? Beta, what we should have on our plate? What we should have? We should have everything. Everything like we should eat the food that help us to grow. We should eat the food that gives us energy. And the food that help us to fight against disease. You know the meaning of disease? Disease का मतलब होता है बीमारी. So that help us to fight against the disease. And what is going on nowadays? COVID-19. ये तो बहुत बड़ी disease है. So what we should eat? We should eat cereals, pulses, milk, green vegetables, and fruits every day. This is called balanced diet. When we have everything in our plate. जब हमारा सब चीजें प्लेट में होती हैं, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, दाल भी होती है और ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स होती है, फ्रूट्स होता है, मिल्क होता है, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, इसको हम बोलते हैं बैलेंस डाइट. जो बच्चे इनमें से कुछ नहीं खाते हैं, दे आर नॉट हैविंग द हेल्दी डाइट, राइट? सो वी शुड ईट एवरीथिंग एंड अपार्ट ऑफ दैट वी शुड हैव हेल्दी हैबिट आल्सो. व्हाट आर द हेल्दी हैबिट्स? वी शुड वॉश आवर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग एनीथिंग. Nowadays we should wash our hands at every regular intervals, right? So brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth twice in a day, right? In the morning and before going to bed. And a lot of good habits are there. So in this chapter we are going to learn what is balanced diet, what are the good food habits, and what are the healthy habits. Okay? So open the chapter and do the study with me. Okay students, so open the chapter 14 good food habits and start reading with me. And here you have to enhance your reading skills and you have to enhance your vocabulary. Vocabulary means knowledge of words. Maximum new words आपको यहाँ से learn करने हैं and you have to use in daily life in communication, right? So start reading with me. Eating different kinds of foods keeps us healthy. जो हम तरह तरह का खाना खाते हैं उससे हम healthy होते हैं. Our meals should consist. Repeat this word 2 times. Consists. Consist means क्या होना चाहिए. Consist इंक्लूड करके. फूड दैट हेल्प अस टू ग्रो, जो हमें हमारी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करे, लाइक मिल्क, फिश, मीट, पल्सेस, एग्स. फूड दैट गिव्स अस एनर्जी, जो हमें एनर्जी दे खेलने के लिए. फूड दैट हेल्प अस टू फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीज. फाइट अगेंस्ट, रिपीट दिस वर्ड, अगेंस्ट. डिजीजेस, फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीजेस, आपस में लड़ना नहीं. फाइट अगेंस्ट, किसके लिए लड़ना है? डिजीजेस, बीमारियों के लिए. वी शुड हैव सीरियल्स, पल्सेस, मिल्क, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स एवरी डे. वी शुड हैव एवरीथिंग व्हाट इज रिटन हियर. हमें ये सब चीजें खानी है. दिस फूड्स हेल्प अस टू ग्रो. ये खाना हमारी ग्रोथ के लिए हेल्प करता है. They gives us energy to work and play. काम करने और खेलने के लिए हेल्प करता है, एनर्जी देता है. They also protect us from diseases. हमें प्रोटेक्ट, बचाता है. प्रोटेक्ट from diseases, बीमारियों से बचाता है. This type of diet is called balanced diet. इस डाइट को हम क्या कहते हैं? बैलेंस डाइट. So what is balanced diet? Balanced diets that have cereals, pulses, milk, green vegetables and fruits. We must drink plenty of water every day. Plenty of water means plenty of water. Plenty means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए. Water also keeps us healthy. Water भी हमें healthy बनाता है. पर खाली पानी पीने से healthy नहीं होते हैं. When we have everything, जब हम ये सब चीज़ें खाएंगे, after that we should have water. Okay? So coming to the next page. Proper food habits. Proper means सही तरीके से खाने के लिए. Proper food habits are very important for good health. Proper food habits बहुत ज़रूरी हैं good health के लिए. Food at fixed times. We should have food at fixed time, right? We must have our meals at fixed times every day. हमें सही समय पे fixed time पर खाना खाना चाहिए, like during breakfast, during lunch time, lunch. When do you have your meal? Write the time on each dotted line. Also draw the hands on the clock shown below to show the time when you take your meals. So this is an activity, dear kids, that you have to write the time when you have your breakfast time, in the morning, when you have your lunch time, afternoon, when you have your dinner time, night. So these are the clocks, beta. Here you have to draw the hands. At what time? Like if you are having your morning breakfast at 7 o'clock, so draw the hand to the 7 or 8 or 9. So when you have your lunch, you have to draw the clock 1, 2 or 3, right? And when you have your dinner, you have to draw the hands, right? That activity we have done in our first class also. We should not eat in between meals. हमें खाने के बीच में कुछ अलग सा नहीं खाना है. We can have fruits only. We should not eat too little food. बहुत थोड़ा सा खाना नहीं खाना है. Too little. थोड़ा सा खाना नहीं खाना है. It makes us weak and tired. इससे हम क्या होंगे? कमजोर और बहुत ज्यादा थके हुए हो जाएंगे. We should not eat too much of fried food. हमें बहुत ज्यादा तला हुआ खाना भी नहीं खाना है. Sweets, toffees, chocolates, ice cream and junk food. Junk food means pizza and burger. It makes us fat. हमें मोटा कर देते हैं. Make us fat. Learn this sentence, बेटा. We must always eat a balanced diet. हमें क्या खाना है? Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? The diet which have cereals, pulses, milk, green vegetables and fruits that we have done in previous page. To keep ourselves fit and healthy. हमें balanced diet खानी है fit और healthy होने के लिए. Then second point is clean food. We should wash fruits and vegetables with clean water before cooking or eating them. हमें कोई भी fruits या vegetable को खाने से पहले we should wash it. अच्छे से धोना है. ओके? और उसको पकाने से पहले भी अच्छे से वॉश करना है. We should not eat uncovered food. Uncovered food नहीं खाना है. We should cover all cooked food with a lid or a net. जो भी खाना cooked होता है, cooked means पका हुआ, उसको हमें क्या करना है? Cover with lid. Lid means या तो ढक्कन से ढकना है या net से. Otherwise, the flies will come over it. We should not eat stale food. We should not eat stale food. Stale means बासी और बदबू वाला खाना. We should not buy food from roadside vendors. Roadside vendors. So this is the picture of roadside vendor. Roadside जो वो सड़क के किनारे गोलगप्पे वाली दुकान होती है ना, बहुत सारे लोग खाते हैं. We should not eat. They sell uncovered food. वो बिना ढका हुआ खाना बेचते हैं. Sometimes this food is stale. कभी कभी वो बासी और बदबू वाला भी होता है. It has germs. उसमें germs होते हैं. Dust or dirt. It can make us sick. ये हमें क्या कर देंगे? बीमार. Do not buy food from roadside vendors. हमें roadside vendors का खाना नहीं खाना है. The inside of a refrigerator. Germs cannot grow there. So we store food in the refrigerator. It remains safe. Very nice. At the dining table. We must eat at a clean place only. साफ सुथरी जगह में बैठ के खाना खाना है. We must wash our hands before and after having our meals. That we have done during the school time also, and we have learned these good habits. So eating at a clean place and washing hands regularly. We must chew our food well and eat slowly. Chew our food. हमें खाने को चबा चबा के खाना है. And eat slowly. धीरे धीरे. We should not talk or laugh while eating. That we have done earlier. Don't talk while eating. Okay? We should always use clean plates and dishes. साफ सुथरी plates और कटोरी या जो भी बर्तन यूज करते हैं, we should always use clean. We must always eat fresh, balanced and nutritious food लेना चाहिए. Balanced, fresh and nutritious food. We should not waste food. खाने को बर्बाद नहीं करना है. We should not waste because each food grain is precious. प्रीशियस, 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 क्योंकि खाना बहुत प्रीशियस होता है. ओके, वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट फूड. Bits of food get stuck between our teeth. So we must clean our teeth after every meal. So we should brush our teeth after every meal. Okay? We should rinse our mouth with water after eating. कुल्ला करना बोलती है ना मम्मा, जाओ कुल्ला करके आओ आफ्टर लंच और डिनर. So we should rinse our mouth. We must have good food habits to stay healthy. अगर हमें healthy रहना है तो हमें good food habits को follow करना पड़ेगा. We should not overeat. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा खाना नहीं खाना है, otherwise vomiting भी हो जाती है बेटा. So we should have good food habits. A lot of good habits we learn in this chapter. So during the live class, you have to give me the explanation for good food habits and we will do the exercise. Okay, bye-bye.